I think that this is an example of a combined sentences question where most people are just going to trust their instincts and get it right, and that's fine. So, um, just make sure you know, I guess, what your instincts are supposed to be looking for. If that makes any sense. So when we do this, the key piece is that this is supposed to be an ideas question. So first and foremost, we want to make sure that the two sentences have certain ideas that are being combined in an efficient way, that the ideas are flowing together, that we're not changing the ideas in any significant way. So that's first and foremost. But once that's done, we can kind of start to think of this as a style question. And we know that the best style on the SAT is short. So that leads us right away. Our eye is just drawn to choice A. And the reason that that's best is that all the other choices are specifically repeating words that are in the sentence already. So the key piece I think that messes people up on these is that they think that ultimately these are still grammar questions when they're really not. It's very rare for this kind of question to actually test grammar. And so if you assume that all the choices are grammatically correct, you won't really be thinking about those kinds of rules, which is good because it lets your brain instead focus on the rules that are more likely to matter, ideas and style. I think that what ends up happening too is that the shortest choice, the right answer here, like A, that's probably not your go-to way of writing this sentence in your essays in school. Because you're usually working against a clock and you're just trying to get ideas out on the page as they come to you, the general way people write is more like choice B. Or actually more like just the way it's written in the actual sentences, in the actual passage. You break ideas up and you repeat yourself to kind of start each sentence over again to kind of rehash what you just said in the previous sentence. And so maybe that's where our instincts kind of get messed up, is the way it's written now sounds a little bit better than this shorter, more efficient version. But once you know what the question is actually looking for, I think it becomes easier to maybe adjust your instincts and have a better sense. So first and foremost, ideas, but if all the choices connect the ideas in a logical way, then style and concision are going to be the real deciding factors.